Sending money from Pakistan to Canada can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. To begin, you need to choose a reliable money transfer service that operates in both countries. Some popular options include banks, money transfer companies like Western Union and MoneyGram, and online services like Z Money Transfer and TransferWise. First, you need to gather the necessary information and documents. This includes the recipient's name, address, and bank account details in Canada, as well as your own identification documents such as a passport or national ID card. You will also need to provide proof of the source of the funds you are transferring. Next, you need to create an account with your chosen money transfer service. This can usually be done online or in person at a branch. You will need to provide your personal and financial information, as well as verify your identity. Once your account is set up, you can initiate the transfer. This typically involves entering the recipient's details, the amount you want to send, and the currency you want to transfer in. You will also need to choose the transfer method, such as bank transfer, cash pickup, or online transfer. After initiating the transfer, you will receive a reference number or tracking number that you can use to monitor the status of the transfer. The recipient will also receive a notification when the funds are available for pickup or deposit into their bank account. It is essential to compare the fees and exchange rates of different money transfer services before making a transfer. Some services may charge higher fees or offer less competitive exchange rates, which can result in the recipient receiving less money than expected. Additionally, be aware of the transfer limits and any restrictions that may apply. Some services may have daily or monthly transfer limits, and some countries may have regulations that restrict the amount of money that can be transferred. To ensure a smooth and secure transfer, make sure to use a reputable money transfer service and follow all the necessary steps. It is also a good idea to keep a record of the transfer details, including the reference number and the amount transferred, in case you need to track the status of the transfer or resolve any issues that may arise. By following these steps and choosing a reliable money transfer service, you can send money from Pakistan to Canada quickly and securely. Remember to always compare fees and exchange rates, and be aware of any transfer limits or restrictions that may apply.